If you want to export an audio file so that you can publish to all audio platforms, one of the things that you'll do with Riverside is open up the Projects tab on the left-hand side and then tap the actual project that you're looking to export. And then here I have the video version. That's kind of the magic episode. I'm going to go ahead and hit edit here. Now, what this will give me the chance to do is make any adjustments that I want to do. But let's say I'm good to go here. What I'm going to do is hit the share button in the top right, and then I'm going to change file type to be audio, and then it's automatically going to change the audio quality to be Wave HD. I would recommend keeping this unless you have some file limit constraints and you need a smaller file size. Then you can go ahead and use MP3. That's totally fine. Now, these two options that you see at the bottom here, normalize audio levels and remove background noise. This is something that you can test and see if you actually want it on. I would recommend toggling both of them on, exporting the version here, and then try it without and see if you can hear the difference. But you're going to go ahead and hit export audio only. And then what you'll get is a message that is basically, hey, we're in the process of exporting. You can move on to other edits, or you can go ahead and go to exports. And then when it is ready, it is going to show up in this section here. So as you can see, before we were in the Made for You tab, but now we're in the export section. And then when this is ready, all you have to do is tap this download icon. As you can see right now, I can't do that, but once it's ready, all you do is hit download and then save the file to wherever you want on your computer, and you are good to go. If you have any questions at all, make sure to drop them in the comments below. And of course, check out the links in the description. There's a free trial to Riverside. You can also get 15% off with my discount code Pod Mahal. Appreciate you hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one.